guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're in our barn here because we had some crappy weather, but we're here by our John Deere B, and we took the steering column off so we could get a good look at these gears. The gears look pretty good. We made ourselves a homemade gasket out of cork, and then we're going to take this off and we're going to make ourselves a gasket for that. So that's what we're going to show you guys today. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, now we're making a template here, so yeah, let's get started. We're tracing the cover so we get the shape of it, and then we'll make it with our cork. Here's what that looks like. Alright, now we got our outline here, so we're going to cut it out with our scissors. Alright guys, we got our template cut out here, and I did want to say one thing. It helps if you have a little bit of dirt on your hands or on the piece that you're making it for, or making the gasket for, so you get a better trace of the outline and you could see it better. And let me grab us here. Here's our thing that we made. And then we're gonna put it onto the cork now. We're gonna trace it with Sharpie. I'll see you guys when we're done with that. All right guys, and here's what our tracing looks like. So we're gonna get this cut out and then we'll show you guys the finished project once it's cut out. All right guys, we got the gasket cut out. Here it is. And now we're gonna get some holes in it so we could put the screws in. And we use this tool here to do that. And then we use our hammer. We pound it like this. And then we take this off with and then we put our screwdriver in, empty it out, put it back on, and then make another hole. So if you're wondering what we do with that, then that's what we do. Didn't go through. Thanks. Here we go. We got that one first try. Go ahead. I think it went. Can't get the paper. You get it? Got it. I'll do one more. Alright guys, we got our holes cut out. So now we gotta put it on the tractor. So let's do that. Guys, we got our gasket in. Now we're gonna get these bolts screwed in there for a test fit. Do you want me to help? Oh, that good? Okay. That should be good. Alright, well, all the screws fit in. That's good. And then we use this glue. So if you guys wonder what we use to seal that down, here it is. Hold it for you guys so you can get that wrote down or whatever you need. Here. Alright, see you guys when we get the glue on. Hey guys, we got our gasket here, and we did decide not to glue it down because we want to clean off the top of the engine here, right here, around all that, and then we'll glue it on with our glue. So yeah, that's going to be the end for today's video, guys. If you like these videos, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. See ya in the next one. Bye!